video, I'm going to show you our house, our humble home here in Japan. Siyempre, papasok muna tayo sa gate. And once you enter the gate, you will see on your right side is itong parang little terrace namin, which has this table, 2 chairs. Kung halimbawa gusto mo mag-coffee, ganon. And then when you walk here, there's a little bench here on your left side. And we have also itong little house na to, which is parang garage siya. Ayan, so when you go here on your right side, you will see the main door. Silipan, syempre, kung halimbawa may kumakatok, silipin mo muna kung sino siya. So, ayan siya. And itong door na to has the auto security system. And this is Inigo. And meron tayong dalawang silya dyan, tsaka isang table na kung tanggapan ng bisita, kung halimbawa there's someone waiting, they can sit here. Yan. So, let's go inside. Hi!
Hello!
Go inside, makikita mo agad mga slippers. Of course, sa Japanese, ang tradition is bawal ipasok ang slippers sa bahay. So, you might as well want to change sa slippers na pwede sa loob. Here you can see, pagpasok mo, may mga candies din siya. So, and meron din siyang perfume. Para mapabanguhan ang buong house and mas-smell mo siya pagpasok pa lang. And we have here candies. Para syempre sa visitors, or if you're going out, you want a candy, then you can get merong Max and Japanese brands na candy. Yan. All the switches ng mga ilaw. Ayan. So, sa loob, Inigo, close main door. So, when you enter here, you will see my sister. And then, when you turn here, sa right mo, you will see a door. So, what's inside this door is this sala. Yan. So, nandito kami minsan maghihintay kung hindi pa luto ang pagkain. And, ayan yung motor ni baby, big teddy bear. And ito, eating chair ni baby, yung sofa, and all. So, ayan, yung motor ni baby. And then, may TV kami dito. And then, dito is yung parang mga, kung ano-anong display lang. Ayan. Kasi, alam niyo naman dito sa Japan, mahilig sa mga ganyang klase ng mga toys, mga maliliit. Yan. So, as you can see, yan. And dito, may little display lang din. And then, also here. Yan. Hi, Nico!
Ayan!
Also here, meron kaming machine. Inix, upo ka. Na para siyang horseback riding na chair. Which is automatic lang. Yan. So, meron siyang speed and whatsoever. So, kung halimbawa kasi dito sa Japan, syempre ang gagawin lang namin is kumain, matulog. So, kailangan namin ng konting pampadiet. And dito meron tayong tawag dito yung pagka may nag-doorbell sa labas, makikita mo kung sino yung nandyan. Telephone, si mami, si papa, yan. And when you go on your left or right side, you will see a door again. And please open Inigs. And you will see our kitchen. Yan. So, si Irish and si Mommy is cooking.
Hello, we're cooking.
What are you cooking?
We're cooking tinola.
Tinola. Oh, tinola.
Your favorite dish.
Mine too. It's my favorite too. So, ayan ang aming kitchen. And makikita mo from our kitchen is yung labas. Kasi this is a sliding door. Yan. Hi. Yan. So, pagka lumakad ka. Yan. Kita mo yung sink and yung cooking area and yung refrigerator. Here we have a microwave and oven toaster. Here naman, sa taas niya are mga ano lang din, plates and then mga baso-baso, ganyan. And that's it. So, and yung refrigerator. And dito meron ulit tayo door. So, once you open this door, dito din pala yung mga plates and mga baso and mga vitamins. Here's sa baba ng mga vitamins and plates. Meron kaming stocks ng food and ramen. So, we all know dito sa Japan, uso ang mga ramen. So, ayan siya. Ramen and different kinds of ramen, pastas, and coffee meat. Yan. Vitamins, yan. So, please open the door, Nigo. And yan. So, ito yung door na to is tagos siya dun sa labasan. Yan. So, etong door na to is for the supplies. Like, open natin ang ilaw. Like, mga tissues and mga tools. Ayan. So, tissues. May tambak tayo dyan. And then, meron din tayo dito another door which led to our toilet. Yan. So, open natin yung ilaw. Yan, so toilet, and super cute lang toilet. So dito, iba din yung liguan, iba din yung ihian, and kung ano-ano. Ayan, so meron tayo ng orasan, display of flowers, sink, and yan, calendar, and ayan. So, close na natin. Next, paglakad mo ulit, meron pa dito ulit na door. So, usually, naka-close yan. And nakasabit siya ngayon. So, yun, naka-close yan. So, once you open it, you will see a big mirror right here. Dito kami madalas nagbabrush ng teeth or nagbablower ng buhok kasi malamig ngayon. And once you leave your hair wet, you might get sick. So, ito na yung main na paliguan namin, which has this bathtub and yan, liguan. Hot and cold water, shampoos, and everything. Yan. So, let's go upstairs. So, ito pala is washing machine. Yan. Yan. Siya naglalaba and all. Yan. Okay. So, let's go upstairs. Nico. So, once you go upstairs, so, syempre, dapat dahan-dahan lang because baka tayo ay malaglag. Syempre, makikita mo agad is itong tatlong parang painting siya or parang frame. Ayan. And then, itong parang wooden na something. So, here, on the right side, you will see our door. Ito yung room namin nila Glenn and ni Baby. But, I'm not gonna show you yet because we're going to do a different room tour. Yan. So, you will see here a statue of something na hindi ko kilala. And then, ayan yung window. And dito din window, makikita mo is yung mga taniman ng green tea. Ayan. So, here is another parang toy something. And here, you will see again a mirror where you can brush your teeth, wash your face in the morning. And, yan. Ito yung light button niya. Yan. So, there you go. And then, right after, if you turn to your right, you will see again a door. And ano ba tong door na to, Inigs? And it's a toilet again. Yan. So, ito yung main toilet namin. Lahat na nandito sa taas. Yan. Yan. So, I just want to show you guys yung toilet dito. Is automatically, may automatic silang na button pang wash. Wala silang bidet or what. Yan lang yung, for your, butt and for, the ano. And then, ito yung pressure. And if once you want to stop, ayan na siya. So, automatic na siya. Ayan. And then, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then, right after, when you go outside again, so, dito pala, ang makikita mo is itong, ayan, yung baba namin. And then here, there's another door. And Inigo, what's inside that door? You'll see different kind of stuffs. Like, mga mini toys. And, ayan, kung ano-ano, globe and whatsoever. Ayan, mga tambak-tambak lang. Kung ano-ano. And then, please close it. And then, when you go to your left side, you will see, ito na yung aming parang mga damitan, which is super gulo. Yan, damitan namin yan lahat. Yan, dyan kami nag-change ng outfits and all. So, here is my mom's room. I'm not gonna show you na, guys, cause it's a little bit private. And once you go to your right, you will see what's inside that door. Please, Inigo. You will see their room, which is it's a little bit messy as well. So you will see that dito yung bed ni Inigo, 'di ba? Yeah. Yan yung bed nila. And yung nakikita mo sa room na to is ayan, yung taniman ulit ng green tea. And once you will turn to your right side, you will see taniman ng peras and kaki fruit. Ayan. So, ayan. And that's me again. Yan. So, yan na. Napakita ko na yung buong humble home namin dito sa Japan, guys. And, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video na to. And Inigo, thanks for helping. And, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you on my next one. God bless!